the Galaxy S24 Ultra will receive a new titanium frame. Yesterday, we saw that even though titanium is more dense and heavier than aluminum, the phone is going to be more light than its predecessor, which is amazing. But what is known about the regular S24 and Plus? We have information about them too, even though Samsung won't use titanium in the standard S24 because it's too expensive. S24 says that both of the S24 and S24 Plus will feature a flat frame instead of the S23's slight outside curve around the middle. It won't be completely flat like the iPhone 14, but it will have a slight curve at the edges like the handset from a Chinese company called Miso. I like the flat edges on iPhones because they look nice and high-end, but they can be uncomfortable to hold, especially when used for a long time. Samsung's implementation on the S24 is like a good compromise, since tampering with its edges would ensure at a point it doesn't dig into the skin like iPhones do. Both the S24 and S24 Plus will have smaller bezels than the 2023 models. With this new flat frame, I think the new phones will look great. The S24 Ultra, on the other hand, won't have a flat frame because its screen is curved. Although the new foldables just came out, we already have good information about Samsung's foldable phones for next year, the Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. Starting with the Flip, you can see that the Z Flip 5 didn't make any improvements to its camera this year. The quality got better, but that's because of the fresh ISP on Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The hardware has always stayed the same, but that won't be the case with the Z Flip 6. Again, if it isn't clear by now, this 50-megapixel sensor is probably the same one Samsung applied on the S23 and S23 Plus. As for the Z Fold 6, will it also get a camera upgrade? S24 tweeted that the Z Fold 6 will feature the similar camera equipment as the Z Fold 5, but he later deleted the tweet, so we don't know if it's true or not. However, another source says that the Z Fold 6 will finally have a different shape. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.